The Bot Builder canvas is a no-code visual editor where all your logic and chat capabilities is built. Each action block on the canvas represents an action your bot takes during a conversation. There's no code involved. You simply build the flow visually, and the logic moves typically from top to bottom. To add a new action block, click on the plus icon on the canvas. This opens the action block menu, where you can choose what the bot should do next. Here, you can add actions like sending a message, collecting input, API calls, and more. When you click on any action block, an action panel opens on the right side. This is where you configure the action you want this block to perform. Once your flow is ready, you can test your bot at any point to see how the conversation behaves. When you click deploy, it publishes the current version so that when you make it live, this version is what will appear. At the bottom of the canvas, you'll find utility tools that help you work efficiently, like search, zoom in, zoom out, auto-arrange canvas, undo, and redo. At the top, you'll find bot level options. From here, you can rename the bot, view the version history, export or import bots, and delete. Now that you understand the Bot Builder canvas, you're ready to start creating your first bot.